Hey guys, coming at you again with another Loot Crate unboxing. This is June's Loot Crate, which is I'm not sure, but we're gonna open it up and we're gonna find out together. So first thing out of the box is a Chronicle collectible. Oh, Terminator Genesis half-scale endoscope. That's cool. Set that off to the side. We also got a T-shirt, which looks like it has Optimus Prime on it. So that's cool. Set that off to the side. Here's our button for our theme, which is, let's see here, Cyber. Set that off to the side. Here we have a Terminator brain chip. I think it's just a keychain. Not sure what it does or if it does anything. Yeah, I think it's just a keychain. So that's cool. Next we have a little, like a coin pouch for your change. Slide that all in there. It's got the motherboard look of the button on both sides, so that's cool. We have the, of course, Loot Crate magazine number 23. Who is Mr. Robot? Which this tells us a little bit about our stuff, the mega crates, just all kinds of stuff. Next is a sew-on patch of something. Not sure what this is, but it's an iron-on patch for like a jacket. Here we have I think there's a mouse pad. Yep, it's a gigantic mouse pad of Borderlands. So that's cool. Unbend it there. I've been needing a mouse pad, so that works. That works out real great. Set that over here. Here, the Battlestar Galactica rain sheet. Once again, not quite sure what all this is. I think it's some posters, maybe. It's kind of like a poster, firing range sheet. So that's cool. Looks like I got two of them. They appear to be the same. So set those off to the side. Here we have some Nerd Machine stickers, I think. And I think that's it. Looks like the box opens up to do something. So let's try to get it open. Come on, box. So I guess it doesn't open up to show a bigger picture or anything. It's just not quite sure what it's supposed to be. But yeah. So that is June 2015's Loot Crate unboxing for Cyber. Got some cool stuff. I think my favorite part of this box is probably the mouse pad, because I've been needing one of those. So, and then of course the shirt's always good to get. So yeah, that's been this month's Loot Crate unboxing. If you want, you can leave me a like. There should be a description down, or there should be a link in the description if you want to go get yourself your own subscription to Loot Crate. If you follow that, if you follow that and use the discount code on their website, you can save a couple bucks, and you can actually help me get a couple bucks. So yeah, if you want to do all that, you can, but if you don't, you can always come back here and watch me unbox my loot every month. I look forward to seeing y'all again. Catch you in the next one, and as always, stay awesome.